Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 2 of Happy Humble Burger Farm at work. Like, it's just a job. Let's go to work and let's see what we're gonna do, okay? And you smell nice. Did you shower? Good job. It's working. I see it. I can smell it, I mean. Sorry. I'm trying. Okay, that's scary. Someone's chihuahua's just acting crazy or what? I'm just gonna take all the showers. I don't even care. All the showers. Just taking all the showers. Okay. Someone's chihuahua is mad. Why is my door open? Hi, Toe! I know, let's go! Da-na-na-na-na, beat you to work. Da-na-na-na-na-na, beat you to work. Na-na-na-na-na, gonna beat you to work. Because we're best friends. Farmyard Festivities quickly became the most popular cartoon in the world. Cool. That's cool. Kind of like Barnyard, right? Like the movie Barnyard. Oh, sorry. Gotta go to work. Gotta go to work. Running, running. Gotta go to work. I thought for a second, I thought it was gonna try to snatch me up. I was like, nope. Oh, this isn't blocked off now. Have you ever wanted to focus so deeply, not even a defibrillator could break your concentration? We've got you covered. Please use responsibly. Hi. Sir, no sir. That's not okay. You can't do that. That's not okay. Okay, so just take flight to better health. No. Not about taking shortcuts. Nice cars. Okay. What? Where's the fire department here? No? Okay. Scared me for a second, thought it was following. No? Future horse races. Invincible, bearded Oakley. Ooh. Only $10? I don't actually care. Okay, my horse win, because that would be great. You lose, try again. Okay, great. Well, me. Alright. Okay. Sell your items for quick cash. Okay. It's a small white vase. pick up your purchase at the counter. Thank you. Okay. I just.
Ah, Steal and Sell. The one place at New Allegiance City you can buy radio transmitters and other rare and weird items. You might even be able to sell some things or two for some credits, but you aren't making money on the side, are you? We've got extra shifts available, you know.
No one else is like you. You're so much different, so unique. Otherwise, why would you be here buying these shirts everyone else wears and not caring that everyone else is wearing them? Live your life, dude. Like, seriously.
I don't know. Okay. Bye. Wait, can I sell that? Hold on. No. No. Okay, great. Bye. Okay. No idea. Sorry. I don't know what that was. Let's just go to work. Oh, wait. Rah! Wait, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. That is not Toe. Is that Toe? That is not Toe. Toe's probably already at work, though, because I took a detour. Leave extra of fries and nugs in the fryer with the heat. Till the heater basket is empty. Okay.
Hey, kid. We got a doozy for you today. Not only are you going to be manning the deep fryer for fries and nuts, but you're also going to be serving drinks from the shake machine and the soft drink machine. So, grab a bag, throw it in the fire, or grab a cup, and throw it under the nozzle. We've made it almost automatic for you. With any luck, you can get robots to clean your entire job.
Joy is the only asset we could not contain. She roams freely throughout the facility and is incredibly dangerous. So much so that Paragon plans to abandon its underground operations and convert it into a prison for these things. The scientist who first discovered Joy managed to survive with his life, but not with his sanity. First he turned against Paragon, then he turned against himself. It is inadvisable to interact with Happy, aka Acid Joy. She's violent and extremely dangerous. If she were able to break free from the facility, there's no telling what would happen to the island, or the world at that. That's why I need to stop all this.
We are so appreciate. Have a happy handle day.
You didn't turn on the lights. Dude. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's go around. Man, it's kind of gross, dude. Why is this open? Oh, because I didn't close it. That's why. Okay. I didn't close it. Okay. This is actually gross. That's why you get cats. Just have cats around the property. Feed and water the cats. Guess what? You won't have this issue. Okay. Hi, Tom! We're gonna have a great day today, okay? I know. I'm gonna go turn on the light, and then we're gonna cook this up, okay? You know what? Hold on. Before I do that, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so where's the cups? Right here. Cup. Cup. Really? Okay, I have to turn on your blanket before I can do anything else. So I can't do this? Really? I can't do this without, hold on. Okay, great. And then get 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Right? I can do 2 each. I thought it's... Okay. Can I put that there? I can. What if I do 1? What's up, you? Kitty, 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 kitty! I know! I put the kitties outside! I don't know what that noise is. I'm sorry. Please, 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 please don't let me get hurt. Please. I can't get hurt. I don't want to get hurt. Okay, we'll turn it on. Just keep me safe, Toe, please. Be my bestest friend ever. Okay? Okay? Can you do that? Yeah, okay. I know. I know. Oh, I have to turn on the appliances. Okay, yeah. Okay, now, okay. Okay, now I'm scared. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1 in there. Put it in there! Put it in the... I know. I'm sorry. Okay, it's taking forever, so give me a second. I'm gonna put the cup under there. Cup there. What? Oh, you can only do 1 cup at a time. So why did it say do a cup? Wait, you didn't even order, dude. You did order. Okay, so you want chicken, soft drink, Yeah, thanks. It's okay. It's
That's
okay.
a horrible about
I know. It happens.
Hindi ba aja? I don't know.
What is happening? Something just hit me. Okay, sorry. I'm trying to get the chicken done. Okay.
That's a horrible about
I know. You're not
Hindi ba
helping.
aja?
Is it in this fryer?
Huh? You better.
How do I put it in?
Shut up, Lolo.
Empty one bag of. Okay. This is the fryer, so I'm. Why won't it let me do it? I don't understand what's happening. There we go. What? How do I need to turn? What the? What does this mean? What do you mean I have to turn them on? I did turn them on. That's why everything's burning. It turned off. It turned off. How? How? Okay, great. I don't know how to do this. Oh, okay. Sure.
That's a horrible about
Okay, I'm trying.
So what? I mean, I'm gonna.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Yeah, yes. Yes. Oh my god. If I only get to one person today, that's gonna be fine with me. And there we go. Good job. Don't do that in my ear. That's weird. I don't like kid thing. That's weird. I don't like it. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Now I need. Where are they? Where are they? Yeah? Where are the things? Okay, basket pop up, move the heater from heater to the box. Oh, and then I put it. Oh, and then from here. Oh. Oh, I had to put the drink in it? I didn't know I had to put the drink in the bag. Am I dying now? Am I dying now? I'm clocking out. I'm going home. No. No, I'm clocking out. I'm clocking out. No, you're supposed to put it in the... It won't budge. Use your flashlight. Okay. Can I go away now? Can I go down now? Please. Please let me out. I'm scared. Don't like it. Okay.
Riskata potato.
I know! Fowl, no cheese, and salmon nuggets. Soft drink. I know. Chickity bum. Chickity bum. I know. I know. What the fuck? Okay, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Took too long on a lobby order. Wrong amount of items given to the lobby customer. No, that's not true. Okay, and he doesn't want what? What is it? It's all the way, right? No, no cheese. Okay, I got you. Boom. 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 Does that have to happen every time? I'm getting really irritated. Put that in there. Got the cup. Put that in there. Ding. Okay. I don't know what's happening.
Riskata potato.
Feed her, eat with Patty. Okay. Do I put it on the thing? I'm trying to cook your food! I probably won't do this again. This is... I can't... That was stupid. How did I mess up the burger? Like, how did I mess that up? Okay. Procedures. Simply fill on demand at each drink station and then serve it. So I throw it at him. Okay, do I put all of this in a bag though? Am I supposed to put this in a bag? Oh no, sorry, tab. I don't understand. Where's the bathroom? Leave me alone. I just came here to the work, to the work, to the work. I just want to do the work. So I'm the only one here. Really. And the weird stuff's just gonna happen. I'm gonna cry. Hello, yo. What's up? Yeah,
レイヤーとア
I
プリシエート、ハブアハッピーハンドルで。
should. Stay healthy, stay energized, take care of yourself, and is it a vending depot near you? Okay, let's go get these boxes. Okay, what the fuck ever, dude. See, this is- I'm like all confused. It's like, what do you mean I didn't do it right? And it's by every door, which is gross. Like, really gross. Yeah? Leave me alone, please. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to do anything wrong. I meant to give you your right burger. Thought I made it correctly the way you wanted it. Do I put the drink in the bag or do I just throw the drink at them? Do I throw the... No, but I gotta put them in the bag, right? Fries in the bag. Okay, so let's do 1, 2, 3, and then a back fry. Breakfast. Okay, so we put
I'm gonna
that there.
biscuit that potato up.
I know. I'm just gonna put these here.
So we'll
Yeah. And then 1 and 2, and then 1 more.
I'm gonna
I know. You're not needing
Just
to eat
get
anything
that
bad. I know. You're
potato.
sweet. I know. Okay, but okay, so let's get a bag there. Let's get a bag here. Oh. And then do there. That's okay. Okay, so nothing works until I put. Okay, that's stupid. You let me get hurt last time. Can we just not? Can we just agree that I don't want to get hurt? Please? Like, doubt they're gonna hurt you in any way possible. But, like,
shut up,
I know, but like, I know. Oh, appliances on. How does it work? Clicking! Oh, I can throw. I can throw the. I can throw the Roomba. All right. God. Yeah, you're a dumbass. I know. If you're not, though, you're not. God bless America. Pick up. Okay. Yeah, I picked that up. Okay, I picked that up. Alright, so with no lettuce, you want a fry and a soft drink. Alright. It was a chicken. It was a chicken. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. I know. I am aware. Okay, and then no lettuce. Up. There. This. That. Okay, great. I have it. Thank you. And then the sandwich. No! Yay! What do you want? Hurry! I like that I can only do. Okay, fries, nugget, shake. Okay. Fries, nugget. Shake. What the fuck was that? You can get away from me right now. Don't whisper like that. I don't like that. I don't appreciate it. I think it's rude. Bum 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 bum. You have a great day, sir. Shake, 2 drinks. Got you. Bum 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 bum. Yay! 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 Okay. A salmon nugget and a soft drink. Sir, I wonder, can I click this? No, because I don't want to be empty before I click it, because then... 2 minutes. I could probably, I don't know how many people I can get. Let's see. Let's see. What do you got? Okay. Pork with 3 shakes. What in the shit is happening? Jesus Christ. 2. What is happening? And it was no lettuce. Okay, and then you. No, okay. No lettuce. So, bop. Wait, I didn't put any cheese on it. Okay, well, we'll do this again then. 1, 2. The fuck are you doing? I don't like this. I didn't realize I didn't get the cheese. That was weird. Yeah, I know. It's fine. You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Okay. You. God. Why is that so hard? Going there. Great. It's turned off. Well, nah, I'm mad. Why did it get turned off? What do you mean? Oh, okay, then I'll clock out. I'll go. Bye. Okay.
We are so appreciate. Have a happy humble day.
Okay, great. Wait, one fraction? Took too long on an lobby order. Well, you know, that's what happens. That's just what happens. Sometimes shit happens. Let's leave so we can get to day 3. My health is so bad. My energy's fine. It's my health. Oh my god. Oh, hail to the kings. Comfort, baby. Now mostly insects and rodents free. Did I see what kind of hospital was on there? I just went to hospital and back. Go ahead, sir. Don't be mad. I was opening the door. I was being nice. Why is this loud? Okay.
Jazzy, Java, joint. Has it all? A band? Coffee? That's it, really. The coffee sure does give you a boost, though. You can serve customers at Burger Farm like 3 times as fast after you drink one.
There's some people. Can I literally just take from this guy and then take it over here and sell it to this lady? No freaking way. Hurry before the cops find me! Oh, I can only carry 4 things out. It's literally called Steal and Sale. Okay. Well, crap.
People say the ending to Escape from the Barn, where all the barnyard buds get butchered, scarred them for life. Meanwhile, I was watching beheading videos on Scythian Web at 10.
Taking your healthcare into your own hands can be intimidating. It can be confusing. Why bother with all the messy details? Hit up your local Quick Cure, pay your bills on time, and let our health technicians completely dictate your health. We offer patented hands-off healthcare to keep you productive, docile, and satiated. Let us do all the heavy lifting.
You're listening to the #1 rated true crime and unsolved mysteries program on all status posts. This is Press the Unsolved.
Okay.
On tonight's episode, we're taking a deep dive on one of the most brutal killing sprees in history. A crazed lunatic tying the skull of a horned animal, running through the woods, smelling much like a beast himself, to the slave
Ah!
he came across. I'm talking, of course, about the butcher of Woodbury Grove. The killings began the week leading up to Rockland Warehouse in Florida. The festival held deep
After this, I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna go make me something to eat. Sprinting drains energy. Consider taking the bus. What? I know, Toe. I know you beat me here. I'm so proud of you. You did a really good job today. I didn't get hurt too much. You did so good. Yeah. Yeah. Have fun. Why is my carpet jacked up? Okay, great. Excuse me? No. We're gonna close that. Thank you. Can we lock that? Oh, we can! Thank you. I need a shower. Just because... Okay. See, and then you go in here and make sure nobody's in. Oh. Is this where it's collecting? Close! It is. Paragon never left. They have shell companies. They have government power. They are funding obscure biotech. The credits are never ending and they want to control everything and everyone. Break the spell. Break their something. And then what is this one? Who am I? What is my name? E17 or E7 or Happy or the kid or son or employee number 17? Everything is burger there. Is to no escape. the monsters are mad. Are they mad at me or the robots? I can't leave or hide. Okay, good. Wait. Oh my god. It's raining outside. No, okay. No, let's go. I want to... Can we leave? Oh, I can't. This door's locked. Awesome. That's great to know. Wait, does this have a lock on it? Oh, it does. It'd be really great. As if I knew that before. Perfection. And day 2's over. Why does it look like there's something in my bed? Can I sleep? Can I sleep? Okay. Hard to see big picture behind pile of burgers. Alright, guys, that's the end for day 3. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. And I love you. And I appreciate you very much. Bye.